Wayne Hentges of Tipton, Missouri, have 14 egg layer barns. We're currently switching from Texas equipment to Chore-Time equipment. This whole process, we started out with the Ukrainian equipment, the Texas equipment. Nothing worth keeping.
So this is the old equipment that we've had roughly for 7 to 8 years. That's what's gonna be coming out.
Got everything out of the barns. Come in and had to cut all the metal and hand remove everything to the walls. And then we come in with a machine and picked it up. Took it out of the houses, went in, re-tinned the inside of the houses, re-insulated, put fans in, redid a lot of stuff. Switched over to, started putting the Chore-Time equipment in. This was about a 4-month process per house. Got all the electrical switched over. They've spent a lot of time research and development on this to make it to where if you have something go wrong, you don't have to take apart a whole bunch of things to get to it to fix it. It is all very, very easy to fix. We've mastered it. We've got it all figured out to where everything is 100% the same. Now from house to house, we know what goes where. We got the new equipment put in, got our birds put in, and they're doing wonderful. Really impressed with how the birds adapt to the equipment. It's been a learning curve. It's different equipment than what we had before, but it has been easier than was with the old equipment. The best part about this equipment is the engineering that they put into it. My maintenance is going to be a lot less. My mechanical issues are going to be less.
Chore-Time did a really good job engineering this equipment. The birds seem to adapt to it very easily.
Because we're not having so much issues with mechanical, we can pay more attention to the birds rather than constantly working on something.